Hey everyone, today I'm gonna explain how to hide and unhide sheets. So with this you can just play with this particular option, that is hiding or unhiding sheets. For example, see here how many sheets are there. Sheet 1, 3, 4. Okay. So if you want to, so earlier I have already created sheet 2, but it was hidden. So if you want to unhide it, what do you want to do? Just tap on any of the sheets. For example, maybe sheet 3 and right click on that. Here you will have an option called unhide. Just tap on that. Here you will have an option called sheet 2. Means sheet 2 has already been hidden. So if you just click OK, then automatically you'll be seeing sheet 2 here. But how to hide a sheet? For example, see, if you want to hide sheet 4, okay, just right click on that, and here you will have an option of hide. Just tap it, then automatically your options will be hidden. And if you want to hide multiple sheets, then how to do that? Just select all the multiple sheets by selecting and along with the button control. See here I have just pressed control and also selected these two worksheets. And if I click right click here, then what happens is here you'll be having an option of hiding it. You just tap hide, then automatically all your sheets will be hidden. And if you want to unhide them back, then just select this sheet 1, right click on that, unhide it, and you can select sheet 2, sheet 3, or sheet 4, whatever you want. But here, since this is the older version, I can only select one sheet at a time. But in the newer versions, you can press Control and you can select all the sheets. And if you just click OK, all the sheets will be unhidden. But since mine is an older version, so here I can only unhide only one sheet at a time. So I want to select sheet 2 and click OK. And again, if I right click, unhide sheet 3, OK. If I click again, right click, unhide. Sheet 4, click OK. See, all the sheets have been unhidden. For example, here, what I'm saying is, I don't want this, so I'm deleting it, deleting it, maybe deleting it. Okay, what is it showing? A workbook must contain at least one visible worksheet. To hide, delete, or most, move the select. You first select a new sheet to unhide a sheet that is already hidden. Okay, okay. So what I'm trying to say is, for example, if I create new sheet, see here, now we are in book 2. But my concern is just go to this file option and here go to this more and options here. Now here under this advanced section, one second. Yeah, see here. Here the option show sheet tabs are always checked here. But if I uncheck that, then what happens? I'll let you know. If I click OK, see, I have my workbook, but no single worksheet is available here. If this is the scenario, you just need to go to file option, click on more options, advanced, then scroll down. Where is it? Hmm, yeah, here, this option. You need to check this option, that is show sheet tabs. You check it, and if you just click OK, you'll be seeing an option of worksheet. So that's how you play with this particular option.